Hey guys, Tony here. Just want to say thank you again. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is still absolutely bonkers to me, man. Like the fact that I almost have 1,000 people that are subscribed to me on YouTube is crazy. And then I think we just hit over 25,000 too on TikTok. So the fact that I have even more than one person is pretty nuts, right? I just think to myself, like, man, who are all these people, dude? Like, who the hell wants to fucking follow me and shit, you know? But nonetheless, thank you guys for the support. Still surprised to this day that I have this many subscribers and followers and stuff on TikTok. So it just feels weird, right? But we're almost at 1,000. I just wanted to make a video to thank you guys. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe or follow me on TikTok, wherever, if you guys want to. But thanks again, guys, for all the support. You guys have been pretty good about super cool about everything. So I really appreciate all the support and everybody's comments and everything. It's super cool to read. I actually read all of you guys' comments every single day, and I try to respond to all of them. But thanks guys. Almost at 1,000. I'll see you guys later.